Hi sir, my name is Lakbao Aryan Forex from BIS IT3E and I'll be showing you my 30% progress of my final requirement, a e-commerce prototype. And dito po makikita. So ito po yung admin web ko. So, try natin i-prototype. Ito po yung sa login niya. Lagyan natin. Ito po yung dashboard niya. We have the Coffee Bean admin panel. We can see the sales overview. So daily sales, total orders, revenue, inventory alerts, best-selling products, and also the sales chart. And dito po sa sidebar, ginamitan ko po siya ng hover state para maganda po yung pag tinatry mo siyang i-click. So next is the products. We have the add new product button, we have the filter, and makikita din po natin dito yung list ng ating products. So gumamit po ako ng vertical dito para makita po yung may scroll down po siya. So add natin. Then try natin save, then add it successfully. And if gusto mo din mag-delete ka ng products, you can delete here, then i-delete natin yung product na Native Academia. So delete permanently. We have deleted successfully. So next, orders. Sa orders naman, may makikita tayong pending ship, canceled. And ito yung sa pending niya. You know, the three orders on the pending. So view natin to. Ito yung orders, hashtag number 112. And the status is pending. Yung nag-order is the customer info, the name and also address, and also the name of the item ordered. And it's also price. And makikita mo din dito sa actions niya, mark as ships, refund, or cancel. So, atin cancel. Then balik tayo sa orders. Then next is the customers. Here naman sa customers, we can, ay nalagyan ko po siya ng search bar dito for the name and email. And we have the customers list here. And gumamit po ako ng vertical and repeat delete. So ito po yung mga customers name and orders and total spend. So view natin tong Aryan Lakbao. So this is the customer's information. We have the name, the email, the orders, the total spend, and yung na-order niya. So next, reports. And dito naman sa reports, just like dun sa may main dashboard, may sales report, meron din dito. We have also the traffic insights kung sa hati ng web and also mobile. Mas madami gumagamit ng web natin, 70%, and the mobile is 30%. Settings. We have sa settings naman natin, meron tayong account info, payment setup, task configuration, notification preferences, email, push, or SMS. We have also a support, packs on the guide how to add products, guide sa order management. We have also contact support sa live chat or pwede ka din mag-send ng email. Then, try natin mag-log out. Are you sure you want to log out? Log out tayo. Successful yung log out natin. So, nakabalik po siya sa login. Ito po yung sa my admin web ko. Then, next natin is here, yung unfinished on the web user. So, prototype natin. We have also the same design or layout, login. Ito po yung homepage. We have the products, the wish list, the cart. Yan lang po kasi unfinished pa po siya. Then, I think dito din sa may meron din po akong nagawa unfinished din sa may user mobile. So this is the for the mobile user. Try natin i-prototype. Ito yung user's information. Ito sa homepage. Ito yung product list, yung wish list, and the cart. Ito lang po yung nagagawa ko for the meantime. And ito po yung 30% progress ko on my final requirement. Yan lang po, sir. Thank you.